Welcome to today's episode of Islamic Essentials. In this section, we are talking about the first or compulsory acts of wudu. Let's dive right in. So can you tell us what are the first acts of wudu?
Absolutely. There are 4 first acts in wudu. First, to wash the entire face. It includes the area from the hairline down to under the chin and from one earlobe to the other. Second, to wash both hands up too, and including elbows. Third, to do the Masah of the 1/4 of the head. This means passing wet fingers over at least 1/4 of the head. And lastly, to wash both feet up too, and including the ankles.
That's really simple. So these 4 steps are essential for wudu to be valid, right?
Exactly. If any of these acts are left out, the wudu is incomplete and invalid.
Thank you for explaining that so clearly. For our listeners, remember these minimum requirements, but we will explore the Sunnah acts of wudu in another episode.
Looking forward to it. Thanks for having me.
And thank you for joining us. Until next time, stay blessed and keep learning.